So yeah guys, this is a Brudex cicada in my backyard. Hello there, little guy. How are you? It's my first time seeing you and your other friends. Cause I'll tell you this guys, last time they were around, I wasn't even born yet. Last time they were around, I wasn't even around. So yeah, my first time ever witnessing them in my entire life. It's fascinating and wonderful to see new animals come from so many years under the ground. Well, basically 17 years. Because they live under the ground for 17 years and then emerge up from the ground like zombies. And that's all for today. Goodbye. Stay well, cicada.